So I think that's everyone that I see anyway has noted their appearance. Is that correct? Okay. So we'll proceed with this hearing this morning on the United States Trustees motion application for the order approving the United States Trustees appointment of a Chapter 11 trustee. Attorney Claiborne, you please proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. Before the court this morning is the United States Trustees application for an order approving the appointment of Mr. Despins as the Chapter 11 trustee. Mr. Despins has a significant Chapter 11 history practice in his firm and in his past. Has been a member of the bar for over 30 years. And the U.S. trustee has attached to the application a declaration of disinterestedness, which sets forth his connections and his contacts with various parties in this case and with creditors and with the debtor. And based upon that, as U.S. trustees requested the court approve the application this morning. I do, however, want to bring to the court's attention that this morning we learned that there are some additional disclosures that need to be made and will be made by Attorney Despins as to connections with entities that are connected to, we believe, PACs. And Mr. Despins can put a finer point on that and address the court and explain. And again, that will be followed by a supplemental disclosure that will be filed with the court as soon as possible. And the hope is that it's within a matter of just a day or two. So with that, Your Honor, if I could ask Mr. Despins to address the court about the supplemental disclosures that are not yet before the court in writing.
Yes, please. Go right ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. As I stated in paragraph 11 of my declaration, I said that to the extent we learn of new connections that were not known to us at the time I submitted the declaration, we would update our disclosure statement, and I will do that in writing, but I wanted to make sure today that I mentioned to the court that we've discovered last night that we have in the past represented entities that have the acronym PAG in them, PAG. Unbeknownst to our conflict system, PAG means Pacific Asia Group, and those entities, and again, as I said, these are representations that were completed, but these entities are unrelated to the Kwok matter in any way. However, PACS is probably managed by a similar or a PAG entity of some kind. We're trying to figure out exactly which one, but doesn't change anything from our point of view in the sense that we still believe we're disinterested. We can be adverse to PACS, not that we're seeking that, but we can be adverse to PACS, and therefore it doesn't change the declaration. But given that these PAG entities are somehow related to PACS, I wanted to bring that to the attention of the court early on this morning.
Okay, thank you. And when you say we, you're speaking of the firm of Paul Hastings.
Yes. But personally, I've never had any representation of PAG. I didn't even know it existed, frankly, until last night.